In this video, let's take a look at job board API, which is created using GraphQL. So for that, first of all, this is the code repository which is present on GitHub. So I will provide this GitHub link on in the description. So let's jump at in Visual Studio Code. So first of all, remove this, open the terminal and go into GraphQL API folder, and here hit the command npm start. So what will this do? This will will run nodemon server.js file. So this is the server.js file. So here as a data source we have used MongoDB as a backend. So server is running, and it will if when it will be start, and it will reach us on localhost 4000. So MongoDB connection is successful, and go now on localhost 4000. So it will open Apollo server. Here we can test our job board API. So first of all, go to MongoDB, and here job board API, which is database I have made in Compass locally. So connect here. So it will connecting. Yeah, yeah, it is connected. So we have four collections here. Our database name is job listing, and in that job applications, job listings, job seeker accounts, and recruiter accounts. So why these two job seeker accounts and recruiter accounts collections are different? Because in a dashboard and in the functionality of job board API, the recruiter and the job seeker functionality will be different in some sort. So this that's why their schemas are little bit different, and we have here 11 job seeker accounts created right now, and for right now this is 4 in the API recruiters account. Job listings we have here, and job applications here. So now let's jump in Apollo server, and let's take a look one by one. So here first of all we have mutation. So for mutation means update, delete, and create. And if we go on query, then it is read, right? So let's take a look at mutation, and here it is create job. So if we go on in schema.js, we have all the schema defined here. So here job listing schema is defined, and in models, definitely we have use Mongoose to connect with MongoDB, and here schema is defined for that. So we can insert that data in MongoDB, right? So go on resolvers. Here we have resolvers for query, and here for mutation. So here create job listing is there. This is asynchronous function, and it will create job and return job, right? So let's go create here. If we go on, mutation and create job listing, so here it is create job listing. It will same come, and what we want to create, we want to create everything, right? So let's remove this because we already have it here, and we are taking title, company, location, description, and application. So we will write variables to insert data. So title will be software engineer, company will be Microsoft, let's say Microsoft, and location, let's say Mumbai, India. Description, right now I will just 2 years of experience. This right, and now application instructions, send resume on HR Microsoft @outlook.com. So now in job listing we have uh, this five collection, five data right now, and if we hit create job listing, so this will return all the data which we have created, and it will reflect if you refresh it. Let's go in job listing, this will be reflect here. So here software engineer Microsoft 6 data point is added here, right? So now go on jobs query to look at job listing. Now GraphQL, this is the special functionality of GraphQL, which is designed we in the REST API. If we want to get some data, like we want to get a company, then complete of this ID, then complete data will come in the REST. But in GraphQL, let's say for this ID we want location only, then other only location will come, other data will not come, right? So let's go here and let's for now we will list all the data, all these six collections present in the database for our demonstrating our API. So we only fetch their location, company and title only, right? And here we have description, application instructions, we will not fetch that. So let's fetch it and it will only give those points, right? So yeah, all these six collections will come here. So now go for apply for job. So this is mutation, apply for job. So here job listing ID, company, title, name, email, resume, status, everything will be there. So if we job applications, here we have right now three documents. So let's add fourth one. So now here in the variable section, we will write okay for now ABC job listing ID. This is the ID which is present in a job listing for that particular. So here we are representing in last is 17. So this Microsoft data scientist at Microsoft, this is the job listing ID we are referring to here. We are giving that, and that ABC the email of that person who is applying for job or candidate who is applying for job. Here is the resume link which will be presented in the cloud, and name, let's change the name, status, let's say application submitted, company Microsoft, title, let's say data scientist, company change Apple. So this will be the fourth collection here, or there's fourth document which will be stored here, right? Fourth document. So let's apply for job. It will give us, return us what we have written with data, our data. And here if you go and refresh here will be four documents, right? So yeah, so now go for update job listing. So recently which job listing we have application job listings. So update job listings, let's say First of all, systems engineer at Tata Consultancy Services. So we will change here from Bangalore, India location to, let's say, Pune, India, right? So update job listing ID which we have to give them. So this is the job listing ID I am copying and pasting it here. And now we have to change location to Pune, India. So we are changing location. Let's say here Pune, India. Now look at this. For this ID, we have here as Bangalore, India location for now. But when we will update this here, it will change to India. So update job listing. For this ID, this is changed, and here if we refresh from going here, and now this is, you can see Pune, India. Right. Now go for update job seeker profile. For that, first we have to go job seeker account. This is the query, and here also query. Let's create a job seeker account, right? So first of all, go here on mutation, go on mutation, create job seeker profile. Yeah, so create job seeker profile. So these already click the compulsorily important. What's the important? And here we have fields, right? So in the field we will add all those things which are important first of all. So what we have to add, current company we will add, email we will add, job seeker, it's not added, job seeker, it will be boolean. See, it will be boolean job seeker because when user click on that button, then we will make him all the functionality will be of job seeker, right? Open to work, phone number, username, right? So this will be all, and age will be there because it is compulsory or it's important. Age is there, yeah, age is there. Username, every important things must be here, right? So let's see username as abc at the rate abc 20, right? This is the username. Name here also Ram Kumar. Email gmail.com, and phone number, is it job seeker? Let's say true. It must be job seeker because it is going in the collection of job listing. Job seeker accounts, right? If he is a recruiter or she is a recruiter, then it will collect, that document will go in recruiter's account, right? So age 25. Open to work we have to write. So open to work true, and here we will provide here. And current company, let's say okay. Open to work is not allowed. Okay, in the arguments we have not provided it. Okay, so we have to, in the arguments also we have to provide it. So now open to work is allowed, and so here current company is not allowed because argument is not provided. So current company argument is provided here. Yeah, it will be automatically updated here if you go here, right, in the documentation section. We just clicked it. So here all this, everything is legal. Now in the job seeker, if you go on job seekers account, Here 11 documents are right now. So now if we created this mutation, all the data will be written which we have created because we have written it. So create job seeker profile, we have written that data, right, after creating, and this is also a same function. Now for refreshing go another, and now this is 12th document is added, and this document is ABC Ram Kumar. All this we have given, right? So now for all of this is there. Same similarly, recruiter account is there. So all recruiters. So I will show recruiter schema there right now. So this is a schema of recruiter account for right now. And reason this is keep different. Again I iterate that for job seeker there will be some different functionality, and for recruiter there will be some different functionalities. So for better, so it will be better to just make them different, right? So we can give them different features and provide job seekers different features. So here all the queries will be there. You can check. We can update job seeker account by username also. We can query job seeker account by username. Means by username we can fetch their all data. Your recruiter account will be there. Your mutations will be created. And by this delete job listing, all this schema is here. Yeah. And for this here we have created server, type depths and resolvers. Resolvers are functions which help to define how to retrieve and manipulate data. So here all the resolvers will be there. And yeah, type your here type it define our schema in GraphQL. Here in the models we have defined our schema, and this I think that's it. You can take the code from here. I will provide this link and also try some out after copying this here from here. HTTPS. First of all, you have to fork this repository, then do all the stuff. I will mention in the readme.md file everything. So that's it.